this is Nayumi Cee speaking. Ngayong araw na to, pag-uusapan natin ang isang paksa, paano nga ba gumawa ng resignation letter. So, ibig sabihin, gagawa ko ng resignation letter, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung complete guide, yung parts, yung types ng resignation letter, ano nga ba yung resignation letter, ano-ano yung dalawang uri ng resignation letter. At as you can see, base ito sa isang request or actually comment na ginawa ng isa nating avid viewer na si Miss Nayumi Valera. So hi sa'yo ma'am, thank you so much po sa comment mo, sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. At as you can see, part 1 lang din to, ibig sabihin meron pang part 2 ang video na to, so make sure to stick around. So, umpisahan na natin. Unang-una, syempre, ano ang resignation letter? So, basahin ko na lang sa inyo. Ang resignation letter ay isang uri ng formal letter na sinusumite kapag bibitaw ka na sa mga tungkulin mo bilang empleyado ng isang kumpanya. Or in other words, aalis ka na sa kumpanya, bibitaw ka na sa tungkulin mo or posisyon mo bilang isang empleyado ng isang kumpanya. Okay? So, ganun po ang resignation letter. Ngayon, meron tayong dalawang uri ng resignation letter. Ang voluntary resignation at ang involuntary resignation. So, sa voluntary resignation, ibig sabihin, ikaw talaga ang may kagustuhan na umalis sa kumpanya na yon. Okay? Pagdating naman sa involuntary resignation, parang ibang case na to dahil para siyang forced resignation na yung tipong yung employer mo ang nagsabi sa'yo na ikaw na mismo ang umalis sa kumpanya nila. So, bibihira lang mangyari ang involuntary resignation. So, magpo-focus tayo sa voluntary resignation. Okay? So, sa voluntary resignation, may dalawang category yon. So, ang unang category is irrevocable or immediate resignation. Pag sinabi nating immediate resignation or irrevocable resignation, parang within that same day, pwede kang tumiwalag sa pwesto mo or within that specific date, pwede kang umalis sa katungkulan mo. So, yun yung immediate. Pag sinabi namang voluntary resignation with render, ibig sabihin, mag-o-offer ka ng either 15-day to 30-day na work. Ibig sabihin, kahit resign ka na, magbibigay ka pa rin ng 30 or 15 days para magtrabaho. Parang yun kasi yung transition period or inaalaw mo or tinutulungan mo yung kumpanya na maghanap ng ipapalit sa'yo. Okay, so, or kaya naman, meron nang dumating na kapalit mo, ititrain mo ngayon yung papalit sa'yo. So, parang ganun siya. So, ngayon, yung kaya siya part 1 kasi ang gagawin natin today is yung irrevocable or immediate resignation kasi yun nga yung sa case ni Miss Valera. Okay? Then, sa part 2 naman, gagawa tayo ng voluntary resignation letter with render. Okay? So, eto na nga. Gagawa na tayo ng irrevocable, immediate, or immediate resignation letter. So, naranasan ko na to twice. Sa dalawang company na pinasukan ko, lahat sila immediate resignation talaga yung ginawa ko at hindi ako nag-render. So, ayun. Alright, so dumako na tayo sa parts ng resignation letter. So, unang-una, yung nakapaloob syempre is yung date or yung petsa kung kailan mo isasubmit yung resignation letter, hindi yung araw na ginawa mo yung letter ha. Next naman is name and address of employer. So, kailangan alam mo yung pangalan ng employer mo, tsaka yung address niya. Of course, dapat complete address. Wag ka kalilimutan yung greeting. Although, pwede mo namang tanggalin na lang yung greeting. Kasi parang hindi naman magandang balita yung resignation, diba? So, the underbody of the letter, ilalagay mo yung statement of resignation, followed by statement of gratitude or well wishes. Next, yung closing part, and then the signature over printed name. So, don't forget to put signature doon sa iyong pangalan, okay? Sa taas ng pangalan mo, ganun. So, huwag kang mag-alala, papakita ko sa iyo yung sample ng letter letter later. Oh, okay. So, nga pala, you may write your resignation letter this way, either written or printed. So, ako, ang ginawa ko noon dahil tipid-tipira na yung magpa-print, written yung sinulat ko, pero I suggest printed na lang para mas professional, mas konti yung errors, tsaka, concise yung pagkakasulat. Ganun. So, kapag printed naman yung pagkaka-print mo, use either Arial or Calibre para sa font size. Tapos, yung font style pala. Then, sa font size naman, you may use either size 11 or size 12. And of course, sa short band paper mo lang siya ipiprint. Okay? Hindi naman telenovela yung gagawin natin. So, sa short band paper, kasya na yan. Okay? Alright, so move na tayo sa complete sample ng voluntary resignation letter, and this one is immediate. So nga pala, ganyan yung pagkakagawa ko ha. Parang tinype ko na siya sa Microsoft Word, ginawa ko siya into PDF file, tapos in-screenshot ko na lang, kaya ganyan yung itsura niya. Hindi kasya yung buong letter talaga, so pinagpira-piraso ko na lang ha. So as you can see, sa pinakaunang side, upper left corner is yung date, yung 6 December 2020. Now, if you prefer December 6, Kuwait 2020, that's fine. Sample lang to ha, kaya makikita mo dyan is Mr. Henry C, which is the owner. Below that is yung katungkulan niya, which is Chief Executive Officer. Then, sa baba niyan is yung name ng company, which is ABC Manufacturing Incorporated. Sample lang din to. Then, below that is yung address, of course, number 14, Harmony Street, Barangay, Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City, 1115, Metro Manila, Philippines. And then, you put spaces, lagay mo Mr. C. Okay? O kaya, pwede mo namang ilagay Dear Mr. C or Dear Mr. C. O, ganon. Or Attention, Mr. C. It depends on you. Okay? Next naman is yon. Sabi ko greetings, pero as I've mentioned earlier, it's okay for you na wag nang lagyan ng greetings sa yung parang pambungad na greeting mo, kasi parang hindi nga good news na magre-resign ka, di ba? So, eto, babasahin ko na lang sa inyo yung parang body of the letter natin. So, it says here, kindly accept this letter as my way to formally inform you of my resignation from my current position as Communications Advisor under Communications and Development Department here in ABC Manufacturing Incorporated effective today, 6th of December 2020. So this has been a hard decision for me to make, as I truly value the people I worked with every day. I will always treasure the knowledge and experience that I acquired during the past 4 months of my stay here in your highly esteemed company. I will be forever grateful that I was able to work with the amazing people in this industry and been part of it as well. The sole reason for my separation is because I will need ample of time to review and prepare for my board exam this coming May 2021. So, as you can see, sa unang part is pinapaalam mo na magre-resign ka na sa current position mo sa ganitong department under his company. And then, the effectivity na rin, nilagay mo rin, effective today. So, when you say effective today, ngayon mismo, ang resignation letter mo. So, this is immediate, right? Then, below that, ipinakita mo yung gratitude mo towards the company. So, sinabi mo na it's a hard decision for you to make, pero you have to because you have an upcoming upcoming board examination that you have to prepare with. And then, kahit ano pang reason yan, as long as valid siya, even if that's a personal reason, it depends kung ano yung reason mo. The company will accept that. Okay? So, don't worry kung kailangan mo mag-sugarcoat, no need to. Okay? maging honest ka lang kung ano yung reason kung bakit ka aalis. Pero wag mo syempre sabihin na dahil pangit yung kumpanya nyo, maghahanap ako ng iba, ganon. So, wag mong sasabihin yun. Kailangan for the betterment of yourself, advancement, yon, board exam, tatanggapin nila yan. And then, hindi pa tayo tapos ha. Below that, meron pa tayong well wishes. Ito yung, I wish this company of yours to remain standing tall and forever be the leading manufacturing company throughout the entire country now, in the coming years, and beyond. Okay, so yan yung well wishes mo sa kanila. And then yung closing mo is respectfully yours, Nayumi Cee. And then yung position mo, which is communications advisor under that communications and development department. And then ABC Manufacturing Company. And of course, don't forget to sign above your name. Okay? So, sa taas ng Nayumi Cee ha, hindi sa taas ng respectfully yours. So, yun lang naman. Sana meron akong na-share sa inyo. Simple lang talaga yung ginawa kong resignation letter. And although hindi ito yung resignation letter na ginawa ko nung mismong nag-resign ako, is parehas na parehas lang talaga. At then, ginamit na ng friend ko. I mean, yung thoughts is ginamit ng friend ko nung nag-resign siya. At syempre, tinanggap naman ng employer niya. So, rest assured guys, na kapag ginamit niya tong pattern or format, tatanggapin niya ng employer ninyo. Okay? So, yon. Stay tuned for part 2, which is yung voluntary resignation naman with render. Okay? So, nga pala, may Facebook page tayong Nayumi Cee. Please visit that page, like the page. And then, if you have questions for me, just let me know. Magsasagot po ako dyan. Okay? And then, please make sure to share this video, like this video, follow me in my social media accounts, comment down below. I will definitely appreciate that. And then, turn on the notification bell button when you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, and you have a nice day. Bye for now.